I'm Daisy Edgar-Jones and I'm taking you behind the scenes for my ELLE cover shoot. This is my favourite part of doing any photo shoot, is being able to see the creativity that goes into it. All these looks feel like sort of off-duty, just had a night out, slightly hungover, woken up, trying to see straight kind of feeling. So the glam look is relaxed and sort of fresh-faced, but a little bit lived in, kind of like you've woken up with your makeup on. I love looking at what the makeup artist has and, seeing all the products and being like, give me some tips. What's the vibe of the set? Very cool. I mean, I wish I lived here. This is a very famous hotel. A lot of cool, famous people have stayed here. And apparently some band threw, I think, a bathtub out the window. So maybe I'll do that today. It's a good day on set if there's good music, if everyone's creatively kind of excited by what we're all there to do, and there's good set food and coffee. That's very important. That's a wrap. Go check out my ELLE cover.